late afternoon has arrived, and we're getting close to the early evening as we get ready to wrap up the last official weekend of January. It is January 25th, 2026. CN is here along with John Yamada. 1632 as I'm coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin again along the Canadian Nationals Superior Sub-Main Outpost 353.17 with another video lined up for you, and will be a highlight of the day. Northbound of the M357, 91 of the 24th is here with the new 3415 on the way. Just check them out on the road by as it heads on its way up to Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, since starting the journey at Markham Yard in Homewood, Illinois. Two more units in tow. Axle for this one's 374. DPU coming up! Another ES44 Super Credit variant of 4804. Bound on TTGX 967-044. And that will do it for the M357 91 of the 24th, and we'll do it for the new 3415, 2845, 2669, and the DPU of the 3804. And off again they roll to Symington Yard in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night. I'll see you next time. And I hope I will see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.